In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Wix in just 5 minutes. This process will allow you to seamlessly add your Calendly event scheduling features directly into your Wix website, providing your visitors with an effortless booking experience. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account and navigate to your Calendly dashboard. This is where you have a clear overview of all the events you've created. From here, find the specific event you want to embed into your Wix site. Once you've located it, click to open the event details. Next, focus on the top part of the events window where you'll see various sharing options. Choose the option labeled Share and follow the subsequent steps to add to website. From the list of embedding options, select Inline Embed. This option will allow you to neatly integrate the scheduling interface directly onto your website page, making it part of your site's flow rather than a separate pop-up. After selecting Inline Embed, you will be provided with a snippet of embed code. Highlight and copy this entire code snippet because you will need it shortly. Now it's time to switch over to your Wix account. Make sure you are logged in, and once you are, locate the specific site you wish to edit. Click on Edit Site to access the editing interface. Within the Wix editor, you will see a toolbar on the left-hand side. Look through the options until you find the button labeled Add. This button is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Click it to reveal a drop-down menu of different types of content you can insert. From these options, we are looking specifically for the Embed Code category. When you find it, the choice you want to make is Embed HTML. Selecting this will open up a field where you can directly paste the Calendly embed code that you copied also. Now it's as simple as pasting that code into the field that appears. Once you have done that, your Calendly scheduling interface will be instantly integrated into your page. Before wrapping up, take a moment to ensure everything is laid out to your liking on the page. You might want to adjust the placement slightly to ensure it fits well with your site's design. The last step is crucial. Don't forget to click Publish. This action will update the live version of your site so that your visitors will now be able to see and interact with the new Calendly scheduling feature you've embedded. And there you go. In just a few easy steps and under 5 minutes, you've successfully integrated Calendly into your Wix site to enhance visitor engagement and simplify the appointment booking process.